Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Cadillac Escalade Premium. This one's black. Underneath there's a 6.2 V8 pushing out 403 horsepower and 417 pounds of torque. For wheels we got 22-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Escalade badging. Black leather interior. Sunroof. Wood trim, rear seat entertainment, rear climate controls, rear heated seats, third row seating. Coming around back, Escalade badging, power liftgate, fold down third row seats, clean set of floor mats. Come alongside. As you open the door, you get a retractable running board, power windows, power seats, wood leather steering wheel controls, navigation. Let's go ahead and start it up. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for media display, climate control, heated seats, our pedal adjustments, cup holders. This Escalade has 93,032 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Cadillac Escalade Premium, check out feldmannimports.com.